What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're about to do more stuff today, and if you caught the last video, we were hinting around to another cool build, something kind of unique, and we're gonna get busy on that one today. Why? Because it's a beautiful day and we're feeling froggy, so let's go. All right, boys, so we got the bridle. You know what that means. That means we're dragging something out. Would you look at all the freaking cars? My God. Chris's car, Project Two-Tone, the Pace car. Be saying goodbye to 4 to 8 very soon. Maybe a Ford takeover. I don't know. We're still working on that. But today, we got to drag something up out of the woods and kick off another build. All right, guys. And no, none of these cars are for sale, and no, we're not selling any parts. I get asked that every time, guys. This is how we keep the builds going. So, yeah, it's time.
Nice in the front, look.
What is it?
Nice in there.
Man, it's clean. Yeah. It's like untouched.
Yeah.
Yep, guys, we'll talk about this in a minute when we go in the shop, but we've got several different options as far as a drivetrain for this car. But we're leaning right now.
Oh, the squirrels in there.
Probably, yeah. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't open that. There was actually a mouse one time when I opened this.
You just been sitting a minute. Yeah, they've been piling on the intake there.
Little 3/8 action.
It was as tall as all that anyhow.
Yep, yank it all out.
Trans is good.
Yep, train's good right there.
Bought this straight out the salvage yard. Saved it out the salvage yard.
We saved it, yeah. So that's the deal, guys. We're gonna get it up out of here and pull it around. And telling you guys, if you saw Mr. Hankey, the one with the LTD wagon way back in 18, you already know. But these cars are so hard to find. You can't buy any parts for them, and this one's got a perfect body. I'm gonna save this thing, get it back on the road. Yeah, make it look good. All right, so hopefully no critters. Turn the wheel a little bit. Mustang door handle. Oh yeah, there's bugs. I don't know how much these are steering, but all right, we're moving. 70,138. Whoa. All right, she's out. Yeah. You just want to air them up, or you'll put some wheels on them?
I was going to swap them out. I'm sure they ain't going anywhere shit.
Nah. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, they ain't taking nowhere. All right, we'll get some jacks and put some wheels on this thing. Hey, that's a start, right? There it is.
That's about the only thing I noticed on the car. That fender's been a little bit.
Yeah.
The bottom of the door got a little rust on that side. See what's out there, prove it.
All right, guys, and real quick, if you're kind of new to the Fox game, which is fine, hey, it is what it is. The Fox chassis, which is what the Mustang was built on, started in 1978 with a Fairmont and ran all the way to 1993. So if you look at this car, you look at the fender aprons, the strut towers, firewall, and you know, even the core support here, it's just like the Mustang. So essentially, barring a few minor things, the cars are identical underneath. So if you're new to the game, that's why we're messing with these. You can't find these cars, and they become almost kind of like a cult classic. You know, they're not really great looking, but they are cool, and they're getting old, extremely hard to find. And you know, putting something underneath it, you know, put some power in it, put some wheels on it, makes for a very cool and very unique ride. So real quick, guys, a couple things you are going to have to do. These are 7.5-inch rear end cars. They're not going to take any power, so that's definitely going to have to be swapped out, so no big deal. And we're going to go in, I'll kind of show you what we've got sitting there inside, but really it's not going to be difficult at all. You yank all this out, drop something in, and bolt some wheels on it. You've got instant cool. It's okay to be unique, be different. That's how you get noticed at shows, and people take pictures of your car and put them online and stuff. It's because they're different and unique, not the same old stuff you always see. That's why people love these cars. All right, guys, we're gonna get this thing pulled over on the pad now that it'll actually roll. Yeah, brakes don't work. No brakes. Ah, the steering wheel is so freaking sticky. Alright. Sure enough. Yep, old throttle body ignition. Yep, yank all that shit out.
Ancient compressor, huh?
This is a 84?
I don't really remember, to be honest. It's 85.
85. Yeah, that's how you get the, it's basically got a tree growing on the paint. Yeah, it's just showing up pretty decent once we...
Yeah, I think you wet sand and buff this, of course.
Single stage paint.
I said you wet sand and buff, of course.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, you.
No, you don't want. No, you don't want me to do that. No, I know what I'm good at, and I know what I ain't good at. I ain't good at that. It is amazing what a little pressure washing will do.
Yeah, night and day, huh?
Night and day. Got all the green off of it, and it's amazing. Yeah, we got some nice, look, Zybart paint protection. That's straight out of the 80s. That's probably why the car looks as good as it does, to be honest. Because it's been, how many years have been baking in the sun? At least 3, right?
I'm gonna say it was tagged 11.
Oh yeah, that's right. The tag on it was 11 right there. So yeah, it's been baking in the sun all those years, but everything came off. Amazing difference. All right, guys, so we've got a lot of parts for the LTD, and Dover's thinking these for wheels. What? All right, so we're gonna take them out here in just a second and put them beside the car, just kind of see how they look. But That's got some serious meat on the back. All right, let's go see how they look. All right, so brand new tires. Yeah. Yeah. Got the skinnies for the front. What do you think? I'm digging it.
Yeah. It's going just fine.
Yeah. Should be looking a little more meaty with the, what are those, 275s? Yeah, 255/60s. So yeah, that's pretty good amount of meat for the back. And of course you got the skinnies for the front. So car will be sitting up a little more. That's gonna look sick.
And they're 8-inch wheels, so maybe they'll
right.
go back good.
They should tuck in pretty well. So that's kind of the wheel option. And we'll go in here. I'll kind of show you what we're thinking about engine-wise, trans-wise. All right, so let's talk about powertrain. Now, I can't divulge anything yet, guys, but I have been hinting around to the fact that Project Two-Tone, I wasn't really happy with the C4 in the car. What's coming for it? I can't really say yet, but huge shout out again to Silver Sport Transmission. Okay. So, this is the engine we were going to put in Project 4 to 8, and then ended up finding that low mile drivetrain that was in it now. But as you can see, and as you saw in the videos, basically everything's new on it. Water pump, timing chain, hardware, balancer, gaskets, clean. I mean, it's perfectly clean, brand new freeze plugs. That engine is ready to freaking go. It's got roller rockers and the E-cam in it. So we're thinking carburetor, probably a dual plane intake, like a, I don't know, like a Wine Stealth or something like that, maybe an Edelbrock, who knows. So, you know, decent little small block 302, you know, obviously headers and all that, and put the C4 with the stall behind it, the reverse manual valve body with the wheels. And all right, guys, so that is pretty much gonna wrap it up. I hope you're excited about this build, because I'm telling you guys, it's gonna look freaking sick, and it'll be sitting on those wheels chopping, and you know, a little carbureted 302 in it. Maybe we'll spray it, I don't know. But do be one solid and drop me a comment below. What do you think we should name the car? We need a good name for the project car. After it's done, I don't know what we're gonna do with it. It's Dover's car, maybe for sale. Who knows? So that is what is up. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you drop me a comment below. Let me know what kind of name for this thing. And yeah, so keep it tuned. Next installment of the LTD. Yank all the drivetrain out, get it ready for a little small block C4 action. Later.